Imagine opening your laptop, typing a simple instruction like, write a Python function that sorts numbers, and within seconds an entire working function appears on your screen. This is no longer science fiction. Today, artificial intelligence systems can assist developers by generating code, explaining algorithms, and even helping debug complex software. Popular AI tools such as ChatGPT and GitHub Copilot are now widely used by developers to speed up programming and automate repetitive coding tasks. But this raises an interesting question. How can an artificial intelligence system understand programming languages and generate working code? To answer this question, we first need to understand something important about programming itself. Programming languages may look complicated, but they actually follow very consistent patterns. In software projects around the world, developers repeatedly use similar constructs such as loops, functions, conditional statements, and data structures. For example, a function that sorts numbers may appear in thousands of Python projects. Because of this repetition, programming code contains strong statistical patterns. And artificial intelligence models are extremely good at learning patterns from large amounts of data. Modern AI coding systems are built using models called large language models. These models are trained on enormous datasets that include natural language text and programming code. The training data often includes open-source software repositories, documentation pages, technical blogs, and programming tutorials. By analyzing billions of lines of code, the AI learns how developers typically write programs. This is why tools like ChatGPT and GitHub Copilot can generate code that often looks very similar to what an experienced programmer might write. But before an AI model can learn from programming code, the code must first be converted into smaller units called tokens. A token is simply a piece of text that the model can process. In programming languages, tokens may represent keywords, variable names, numbers, or symbols. By converting code into tokens, the AI model can analyze relationships between different parts of the program. Most modern AI systems that generate code are based on a neural network architecture known as the transformer. The key innovation of the transformer architecture is a mechanism called attention. Attention allows the model to focus on different parts of the input sequence when generating new code. For example, when generating a function call, the model can look back at variables defined earlier in the program. This ability allows the AI to generate coherent and structured programs. At its core, AI code generation works using a process called next token prediction. The model predicts the most likely next token based on the tokens that came before it. By repeating this process many times, the model gradually generates entire lines of code. Let's look at a simple example. A developer might type, write a Python function that removes duplicate values from a list. The AI model processes the prompt and predicts the most likely sequence of tokens representing the solution. Within seconds, a working function appears. Modern AI coding tools can also analyze the surrounding context of a program. This means the AI can reference classes, functions, or variables already defined in the project. Despite these impressive abilities, AI coding tools still have important limitations. AI does not truly understand the goals of a software system. It relies entirely on patterns learned from training data. This means AI-generated code may sometimes contain logical errors, inefficiencies, or security vulnerabilities. For this reason, human developers must carefully review and test AI-generated code before using it in real software systems. As artificial intelligence continues to evolve, AI coding assistants are becoming powerful tools for developers. Developers increasingly use tools like ChatGPT to generate code snippets, explain programming concepts, and debug problems. Another tool, GitHub Copilot, works directly inside programming editors and can automatically suggest code as a developer types. The future of programming will not be humans versus artificial intelligence. Instead, it will be humans working together with AI tools to build better and more complex software.